Hello. Today I'm showing you how to change your document color mode from RGB to CMYK or vice versa. Let me take an example. Like for example, let me open my program, my designing program, Adobe Illustrator. For you might have something else, but the procedure is almost the same. But today we are going to base more with working with the Adobe Illustrator. Okay, let me take an example that I have my document. Let me just open it, something here. Okay, let me just go to my wallpapers. Maybe I pick something, like for example, let me pick this one. Okay, I have this one. Now for example, let me take a scenario that you created a document, but during the creation you forgot it was supposed to be RGB, but you ended up creating a document which is CMYK or vice versa. Like you wanted to create a CMYK and you ended up creating an RGB. Like for example, this picture is in RGB color mode, but you want it to be in CMYK. Okay, and CMYK stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, black. RGB stands for red, green, blue. Okay, so now to change the document color mode, what you do, it is simple. You just go to File, you go to Document Color Mode. For now it is in a RGB color mode. We just click on CMYK and you wait for it to change. As you can see here, it has already changed the format to CMYK. That is how we change the document formats. If you find this video helpful, please help me and subscribe. You also hit a notification button